Hello everyone, Straydog Bill Arnold. This is my daughter Erin. She's coming on the set right now, and we're going to do another song for you today. This one's a John Prine tune called Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. And so here we go. You ready? Sure. 2, 3, 4. Come home late, you come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight, you come home curly. Drunk. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a word and a jealous spine. How can a love that lasts forever get left so far behind? What in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Yeah. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. Go across the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Yeah, John Prine. Neat song. Please, everybody, spay and neuter your dogs and your cats. We've got to get complete control of conception in the dog and cat world, and that's done through spay and neuter. And check out straydog.org, No-Kill Dog Shelter. That Erin's mom, the late Pat Arnold, and I founded back in 1994. Still going strong today at Straydog in 2026. And we're also known as Straydog Billy on our YouTube channel, where we've just finished. We just did a song, and so
Adopt from an animal shelter.
Adopt from an animal shelter.
That would be very good because it would save a lot of lives because of the overpopulation problem.
Yes, so that we got it, and we got to share this video with others to try to get more and more people on board. Subscribe to the channel because that helps with the algorithms and all that kind of stuff.
And there's low-cost spay and neuter clinics that help you financially, or check out your vets for discounts. Yeah. That's helpful.
So please do all that stuff, and let's get a hold of conception in the dog and cat world, and we'll be back tomorrow with another song from Straydog Billy and Erin.